What's going on, everybody? It's Matt from the Hair Transplant channel here. Today it's exactly 10 months since my hair transplant procedure. Amazing months, required a lot of patience of me. First of all, like the first 3-4 months were like crazy. I had to be so patient from the resting phase to growing phase. That was the worst thing, I guess. A lot of patience, but it changed after 4 months and it just went exponentially. The biggest growth, I would say, from the 4th to 6th month. This is when the biggest growth happened for me. From 6th to 10 months, not so much of the new growth happened. I'm gonna post some pictures and short clips of it here so you can kind of see. But it didn't really. I expected more, to be honest, but I'm still satisfied with the result. So far, it's much better than it was a year ago or 10 months ago. And yeah, guys, it's just amazing. The time flies and the hair just grows and grows and it looks better and better. And I grew my hair especially for you guys so you can see how it looks when it's much longer, right? I mean, here, check it out, right? I will probably cut my hair in a couple of weeks, let's see, but for now, or maybe I'm just gonna maintain it on this kind of length right now because I like it. I don't really like to have much longer hair than that. Thank you all of you for support. We reached almost 1,600 subscribers and I went from 0. It was like in March 2017. I would like you to see the density much better, right? So yeah, look at this. This is the hairline. Right? Yeah. I mean, some of the people are criticizing the little zigzag hairline here. You know, they think that it should be more straight, you know. But I don't know. Look, if you grow your hair longer, people don't even notice. For you guys who are posting to Facebook groups every single picture after hair transplant and you see all the details, you are focused, or you are thinking about those details all the time, sure, you will notice that. But normal person, if you go on a date, you know, some girlfriend that you have, or if you just go out, people don't notice that. So I wouldn't really kind of make a big deal about it. So my donor area is like 5-6 millimeters of length right now, so you literally don't see any scars or not even slight redness or something, right? So let's see how it's gonna look like in 12 months. Let's see, maybe it's gonna be a little bit better, but I think like honestly, when I compare the last 4 months and the progress I made during the last 4 months from the 6 to 10 months, I think like 5% to 10% progression would be possible in the next 2 months, but if not, nothing's gonna like change. I'm not gonna say like, wow, I hate my hair transplant. No, I'm gonna be satisfied and remain satisfied and pleased with the result, right? So the only thing that is kind of on my mind right now is how can I preserve the top of my head from falling out, right? There are many alternatives. There is micropigmentation. I'm not really into that. Another hair transplant, very possible for me. I'm a fan of hair transplants, so probably I'm gonna do a next one within the next year or so. For now, I'm kind of like using some products to make the top more dense. There are things like this hair fibers or something. It's very nice, by the way. I tried it. Next time I'm gonna make a video about it, how you can make the top look more dense. It's amazing thing. Nobody notices again, and it stays on your hair all day long. So it's great. You know, it's really good. Let me know what you are using for making your hair dense, more dense. If you have any questions, again, post comments and like this video. Add me on WhatsApp again, as many of you already did. I'm texting with a lot of you guys. Many of you became great friends of mine. We are just texting, posting some pictures, sending some pictures from from each other and like exchanging the experience, right? So this is valuable for me, for you as well, right? I like to give you new inputs, new informations, guys. So do not miss that. Add me on WhatsApp, comment and like this video as always. Have a nice day. Have a great rest of the day and the rest of this year. And I wish you a lot of success in your new year. And hopefully you will make great decisions which will help you improve your look, improve your finances, success in all areas of your life. So again, guys, thank you so much and see you in the next video.